Hello and welcome to a new video for content creation on Amazon. We want to talk about delete SKU, not the ASIN, and create a new one. And we want to start with the basics. ASIN stands for Amazon Standard Identification Number, and that means it's just a container. And if you're creating a new product, you're setting up an SKU, and Amazon is setting up an ASIN for that SKU, okay? That container is built up by Amazon. And that container carries a lot of facts and relevance and performance metrics, and your SKU is just one part in that container. So if you're talking about the SKUs, the stock keeping units for specific products, we will find a lot of different styles and types of them. There can be different sellers. Different sellers can use different prices, different shipping methods or conditions of the products like new or used or what else. And what we are seeing here is seller A is working with two different shipping methods, for example FBM, FBA. Another seller maybe is also using FBA shipping one but has different condition for that product. Or even I can set up an SKU course. I have bought the product and I want to resell it on Amazon with condition C and shipping method own shipping. I will go to the postal station and send the product and so on. And if we combine all of them, we will find one ASIN with a lot of SKUs, okay? But the container is still the ASIN, okay? On Amazon it's looking like that. We know that in the SERP, search engine result page, we can see that more buying choices, 20 used and new offers with different price scenarios, different shipping and so on. On the PDP product detail page you can also see it like down here, new and used 20 from €16.84 up to €21.90 and more. And now we need to have a look in the backend, okay? And the main fear here is losing the reviews. So we are seeing here an active scenario, SKU and ASIN are live on Amazon. We can find it as you see in the middle, and it's got 5 reviews and 5 stars out of 5 points, 5 points out of 5 stars. So best in best. If we are looking more detailed on that, we will see that we have one ASIN, one SKU. That is absolutely okay. But the ASIN is managing the reviews and stars, not the SKU. Okay, keep that in mind, of course, that is relevant. And we are only talking about deleting the SKU. It's a bit problematic when you are reading it in the Seller Central backend, but at the end we will handling that like every parent ASIN. Just delete it. Delete product and listing means not erase or terminate the ASIN. You're just deleting your SKU for an ASIN, okay? After that, you will not find the ASIN anymore when you're searching it on Amazon. Okay, you will have no results. And what you have done to keep it just simple as possible, you have only deleted the SKU and set the ASIN to inactive. Let's say it like that. The stars are combined with the ASIN, and the ASIN will only disappear from the search and the categories and so on. But that ASIN will still stay in the Amazon catalog, but offers 0 used and new. So Amazon is saving all that data. Of course, sometimes a new seller or a former customer will start to resell that product on Amazon. Why not? Not everybody is using eBay. And the data are saved, and now you can directly reactivate it. When you look in your specific inventory, you will not see some results if you are searching for that ASIN. Also for the SKU, of course, you have deleted the SKU, and the ASIN is only available in the Amazon catalog. So that's fine. Now we will wait 24 hours that everything could work well, as the Amazon support is always answering. And now we just add ourselves to the ASIN. Okay? You're searching for the EAN, for the GTIN, for the ASIN, whatever you want. You will find it in the Amazon catalog and just click New, Sell this product, and you're into it. If you want, you can of course use your old SKU. That is no problem. Okay, and then you have to wait up to 15 minutes until it's updated, and you can go into your inventory and you will find your old ASIN again activated or reactivated, and you can now start to go on. Just to double check, we will go to Amazon, search for the ASIN, of course, and yes, it's findable again, and of course with reviews. So no problem with that. Don't get it wrong. Normally when somebody is talking about erasing or deleting an ASIN, they normally are talking about delete the SKU. But make sure if you have two shipping methods, FBM, FBA, you have to delete both of them, both SKUs, only so the ASIN will disappear. In other ways, if you only delete one of the SKUs, the ASIN will stay alive, of course, with the other SKU in Amazon. And the last question normally is, what will happen to my organic positions? From my point of view, really easy. For example, we here have SERP sites for a search term ABC. You're on the third spot. Your ASIN and SKU are live, and now we deactivated. As I said, we have deleted the SKU. Now you're not findable anymore, but there are some rest data. So if we directly reactivate it or set up a new SKU for that ASIN, we will be a third spot again. But normally it will take some time while recreating and so on, and so you will lose a lot of numbers against all the other competitors shown under that search term. That is caused by the missing relevant customer interactions for your ASIN. So Amazon algorithm cannot judge you. They have only the old data in mind, and then the normal average 7 days, 30 days data and so on will go down. That's also a reason why you can delete, for example, seasonal products. Of course, then for the seasonal search terms, no search volume and no interaction of customers will be happening. Your old data is the same as every competitor's data, and when the season starts and you reactivate the SKU and so the ASIN, you will find you at the third spot or at the spot you were started or your last spot was spotted on. So keep that in mind, but that differs for every category, for the search terms, for the seasonalities, and so it's just an example, but I think for the understanding it's good enough. So that's all to the topic delete SKUs and reactivate them, and the difference between ASIN and SKU. If you liked that, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you can stay informed when we are releasing new videos, and of course feel free to use the AMALYZE browser extension.